How to make a handprint wreath. You will need green and red paper, card, plates, ribbon, glue, pen, scissors and a coin. Draw around your hand onto the card. Cut out to make a template. Use your template to make 24 green hands. Draw around a large plate onto a large piece of green card. Draw around a small plate in the middle of the circle you've just drawn. Cut out to make a ring. Stick your green hands around the ring. Trace around a coin onto red paper. Then carefully cut these out. Stick the berries to the wreath. Attach a bow to hang.